Hi, my name is Alfred Gonzalez. I am the National Sales Manager for American DJ. Here we are at InfoComm 2013 in beautiful Orlando, Florida. So we'd like to tell you about a few new products we're introducing here at InfoComm. We got the new DOT series, and the DOTS features, if you look at it, obviously you see dots right there, but this is a 4x4 grid, and it contains COB technology, which is chip on board. Each cell is a 30-watt LED output. So we got a total of 480 watts. It's built very well, DMX, power in and out. You could pixel map it. It has all kinds of built-in programs, sound active. This is the new DOTS Matrix. So here we are, we're going to show you another addition to the DOT series. This is the DOTS Flood. The DOTS Flood is the same technology of the COB 30-watt LED source. It has 6 cells on it. Also notice it has barn doors, which is great for adjusting your beam angles and different variations of that. Also, your beam angle on this is 60 degrees. We also have an optional foot controller, which is not only wireless, but it's also battery powered. And this you could go full on, you could access through all the built-in programs, the chases. This is the new foot controller, the DOTS Flood C controller.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Marco Seguera. I'm one of the product specialists with American DJ. We're here at InfoComm 2013, and I wanted to show you guys about our new Wi-Fi products for American DJ. Our first product here is the Wi-Fi RGB W8C. It is a 8-channel controller that does RGB. You can do up to 8 fixtures. You can control 8 channels of DMX on each one. It's already pre-programmed with a bunch of colors like red, orange, yellow. So you can just plug in your fixtures and you can automatically choose the color just using one of these buttons. You have control here using your faders. And as you can see, we have some fixtures here that use the Wi-Fi technology. This is our Wi-Fi PAR QA5. It uses 5-watt LEDs that are red, green, blue, and amber. There's red, green, blue, and your amber. And you can combine them to make any color that you'd like. They're using our Wi-Fi technology, so there's no cables being run. It also has a built-in battery, which is a lithium battery. It'll last you at full on 7 hours or more. If you're using a static color, the battery will last you easily over 16 to 18 hours. Here we have our Wi-Fi transceiver. This is a receiver or transmitter for our Wi-Fi products. If you have your own fixtures that don't have DMX built in, wireless DMX, you can use these to connect to the fixture or connect to your controller, and you can control your lighting without having to run the DMX cable. These operate on the 2.4 gigahertz band, and there's 16 operating frequencies that you can use in case you do run into interference problems. We also have our Wi-Fi bar, RGBA. This one uses the 10mm LED, and it's got red, green, blue, and also amber. This is great for washing walls, to uplight. The bar is also great for washing the walls. And the bars are great for either trussing or structures such as columns. Our last product here on the Wi-Fi series is the Wi-Fi D6 branch. This is a DMX splitter. It has 3-pin DMX, 1 DMX in, and on the other side you got 6 DMX out. So instead of having to run a bunch of daisy chain that runs maybe 300 feet long or longer, you can split the signal from here and run shorter chains. And it's all with the Wi-Fi technology, which you can control using either the transceiver or any of our controllers, such as the Wi-Fi RGB W8C. And this is the Wi-Fi products with American DJ. Check them out at your local store.
Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Edgar Bernal, American DJ Product Specialist, and right here I'm going to show you our brand new Visi Roller Beam 2R. Now you'll notice with the Visi Roller Beam 2R in the name, it's using a 2R Philips lamp, so it's extremely bright with that discharge lamp. And since it is a beam, it comes with a 4-degree beam angle. With that, in the gobos, you can actually change the beam on that, so you can get a really tight beam if you wanted to, all the way in all your gobos, interchangeable gobos. And you'll notice with the barrel mirror there, you can spin around at 360 degrees, and if I wanted to open up my beam, it has a 3 and a 5 facet prism. So just imagine with the barrel and a prism rotating, you just get an awesome effect out of the Visi Roller Beam 2R. And you'll also notice with this we have a new display, so it's easy to go through your display. If you're setting your DMX address, you can actually see the temperature of the fixture. So just with a nicer display, very easy to use, very easy to mount. It's got the hanging bracket already included. That's the Visi Roller Beam 2R using the 2R Philips lamp. All right, next I'm going to show you the Visi Beam Hybrid 2R, which we have up here on the truss. Now what's really nice about the Visi Beam Hybrid 2R is very similar to the roller, so you still got the 2R lamp in there, and you see it going there with the beam, which is a 4-degree beam angle. Like I said, you have 14 different gobos, and in the gobos you have different beams, so I can bring it all the way down to a 1 degree, which almost makes it look like a laser, especially with the discharge lamp. It's extremely bright. And what's nice about the Beam Hybrid 2R is that it has an 8-facet prism. So just imagine opening up your beam into an 8-facet and adding some rotation to that. It spins incredibly fast, so you almost have like a liquid sky tunnel with that 2R lamp being so bright. Now with the Visi Beam and the Visi Roller Beam 2Rs, just remember you got 14 different colors and 14 different gobos, and you can still put your customized gobo in there because the gobos are interchangeable. So that's the Visi Beam Hybrid 2R from American DJ.